Hey guys and gals, today we're going to be putting on a Richard Petty Signature Series single strut tower bar. Really easy, simple install on this piece. On a level of 1 to 10, this is a -1 to put on. So really easy. So all you're going to need is a 13mm ratchet, and that's about it. So let's get to putting this thing on. Okay guys, we're going to start by taking the strut tower covers off like this. We're going to get our 13mm wrench, ratchet. Set those off to the side. Set those off to the side. Carefully ease it down over the stud. Reinstall the nuts. You will want to torque these down to about 20 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, just good and snug, not over tighten, but about 20 foot-pounds. Once we get these reinstalled, put your strut tower covers right back on, and the job is done.